Oh, you just hurry up. Freezing cold. Hurry up.
Just stood there.
I've already gone round it twice.
Doing the job properly, mate.
Hurry up. Time is money.
Yeah, but also a good job takes time.
It does, no, I agree. But conditions are not saying.
All these conditions are saying is work harder.
We're basically in rainforest right now, and you're here going, no, it's okay, we can work really slow.
Well, you don't see me complaining.
Because you've got an umbrella! 93% chance. Hurry up, no.
It's actually a 100% chance at the minute.
100%.
If you work faster, you can get in faster.
I can't work faster, mate, because you're spraying that fucking bottle.
He's a man of perfection.
I know, I understand that, but why don't you put the marquee up? Put it up in the rain.
Are you coming with me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we're going to get a nice car.
way to skive work.
I'm not skiving work.
You are. You get paid to do this. I pay you
Yeah.
to. Everyone thinks the business owner, entrepreneurship and all this rubbish you see on Instagram now. Really? No. You need Nathan's job. You need to learn how to do that on a camera.
So, where are we going? What are we getting?
We're going to Porsche Wolverhampton to get a... we get it. Taycan 4, not PPF for once. I believe it's Crayon. I believe it's going Satin Black or maybe matte black. The customer's decided yet. It's having door shut, so it's a big job.
Let's go.
Let's go. Got a heated seat on now.
Yeah, please. I'm pretty cold. It's winter.
Wouldn't want you to get cold on your hard day at work, would we? Can you cope? Can you put a seatbelt on with one hand?
Oh, it's a bit tough.
That's as tasking as your job gets, isn't it? I need to get a cheaper to run tow car.
Yeah, I can imagine it's not the most fuel efficient.
But I feel bad using this to tow because it's too nice. Let's go. Is it concerning? I don't want steering wheel, it's too skinny.
Yeah, like steering wheel.
Steering wheel is too skinny.
Oh no. What have I missed?
Half the car's already done, Nathan.
What do you mean half the car's already done?
Well, when you're on it, you're on it.
Well, it's not half the car. You've only done the bonnet and the wing.
And the mirrors and the A-pillars and the top of the roof. So really all we need to do is the side skirts, the wheel impact areas, so the back of the rear arch.
And that's it. So why are you taking a brand new Porsche Taycan Turbo apart?
Because that's what we do! He's having the door shuts wrapped, everything is going satin black.
I've worked here for about 3 years now, Duffy, and I haven't seen you do many door shuts on cars when wrapping.
Because I hate him. No. Because it does really ramp up the price. There's a lot of work. There's like an extra 2 to 3 days work goes in. So for most people, the extra cost just isn't worth it. I never do my own door shuts, but then there are some customers who will think it's a bad wrap if door shuts aren't done, and it's not that. It's literally people's budgets and that. If you want to spend an extra few £100 to get the inside of the door, some people say no, some people say yeah.
And the other thing is, it's not nice.
No.
They're fiddly. No one enjoys doing door shuts. Not one rapper on this planet enjoys doing door shuts. So it's long, it's tedious, it's expensive in labour, but no problem doing them. It's part of the job.
Another day, another door.
You've already done 2, you know how to do that.
Someone else could have a go.
Who gets all the good jobs?
I do get all the good jobs, Ben, you're absolutely right.
Look on my birthday. That's a shame.
Taycan is done in wow. Wow. How good does this look in satin black?
I liked it in the Crayon.
Everyone did. Everyone loved Crayon. Why is he wrapping this? It's Crayon, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, nah, satin black. With the gloss black bits that come standard on the car. It just looks a really special car now. You really take notice of it. So, as you've seen, full exterior wrap, including door shuts and the inside of the doors. So, when you open it, just looks mint. So now we've got to load it into the trailer, get it back to Porsche Wolverhampton, because I believe the lucky new buyer of the car is collecting it from there this evening. So there's no time for me to rabbit on any longer to you or Mr. Nathan. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us support the channel because we put loads of work into these. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.